Hello everyone, this is Coco from Altertool. Foot-operated hydraulic pedals keep your hands free, and of course, there are also electric ones. All steel construction. This mobile hydraulic lift table can position and lift jobs up to 27.5 inches by simply depressing the handy foot pedal. Of course, the most important thing is that it is easy to carry. The handle release for easy control of the hydraulic release is also easy to lower. Lifting table cart features a heavy-duty oil-resistance rubber mat to prevent slippage, and two locking swivel casters for easy maneuverability. Okay, next time I will talk about strut spring compressor. Please look forward to it. Welcome to contact with us by mail, Vicky@Altertool.com. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.